Costa's hummingbirds are primarily found in arid and semi-arid habitats in the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico. Costa's hummingbird is not considered globally threatened, and its population appears to be stable. However, like many other hummingbird species, they face threats such as habitat loss and climate change. Costa's hummingbirds are well adapted to arid environments, and they are often associated with desert scrub habitats. These habitats may include areas with low-growing shrubs, succulent plants, and cacti. While they are adapted to natural habitats, Costa's hummingbirds are also known to visit gardens, parks, and other human-altered landscapes where flowering plants are cultivated. Chaparral is another habitat type where Costa's hummingbirds can be found. Chaparral consists of dense, evergreen shrubland or small trees and is often characterized by a mix of drought-resistant plants. In addition to lower elevations and desert habitats, Costa's hummingbirds can also be found in mountain foothills. They may extend their range into higher elevations where suitable flowering plants are available. Costa's hummingbirds are highly dependent on flowering plants for their nectar, which is a primary component of their diet. They are often observed feeding on the nectar of various flowers, and their presence in an area is closely tied to the availability of these food sources. Costa's hummingbirds build cup-shaped nests made of plant fibers and spider silk. These nests are typically situated in trees or shrubs, and the choice of nesting sites is influenced by factors such as concealment, stability, and proximity to food sources. The male Costa's hummingbird is known for its vibrant and iridescent plumage. The most striking features are the bright purple-blue crown and throat, which can appear almost fluorescent under the right lighting conditions. This iridescence is due to microscopic platelets in the feathers that refract and reflect light. The throat of the male features a prominent gorget, which is a patch of iridescent feathers. In the case of Costa's hummingbird, the gorget is usually a deep violet or purple color. The rest of the body is characterized by a white chest and belly, creating a high contrast appearance. Female Costa's hummingbirds lack the vibrant and iridescent colors seen in males. They have more subdued plumage with greenish upper parts and a pale grayish or whitish underbelly. The overall coloration serves as camouflage, providing them with better protection while nesting. Unlike males, females lack the prominent gorget on the throat. Their bodies are slender and streamlined, facilitating their ability to hover and maneuver with agility during flight. Costa's hummingbirds, like all hummingbirds, have long, slender bills adapted for feeding on nectar. Their bills are designed to reach deep into flowers to access the nectar, and they play a crucial role in pollination as they move from flower to flower. Costa's hummingbirds are among the smaller hummingbirds, measuring about 7.6 to 8.9 centimeters in length. The weight of Costa's hummingbirds is very light, usually ranging from approximately 2 to 4 grams. These tiny birds have a lightweight build, with specialized adaptations for their hovering flight and nectar-feeding behavior. Their small size allows them to be highly maneuverable, and their metabolism is incredibly fast to support the energy demands of their rapid wing beats and high metabolism associated with their hovering lifestyle. The lightweight build also makes them well suited for perching on delicate plant structures. One of the most remarkable behaviors of hummingbirds, including Costa's hummingbird, is their ability to hover in mid-air. This is achieved by rapidly flapping their wings in a figure-8 pattern. Hummingbirds are incredibly agile in flight, allowing them to navigate through dense vegetation with precision. They can fly forwards, backward, and even upside down. Male Costa's hummingbirds are known for their territorial behavior, especially during the breeding season. They vigorously defend their feeding and nesting territories from intruding males and other potential threats. Males may engage in elaborate aerial displays to establish dominance and defend their territories. These displays often involve rapid dives and ascents. Males perform courtship displays to attract females. These displays may include hovering in front of the female, showing off their vibrant gorget, and making intricate aerial maneuvers. Female Costa's hummingbirds build cup-shaped nests made of plant fibers, spider silk, and other materials. Nests are often placed in trees or shrubs. While some individuals may be non-migratory, others may engage in short-distance migrations, moving to lower elevations in the winter. Hummingbirds can produce high-pitched chirping or chattering sounds, especially during interactions with other hummingbirds. These sounds may occur during territorial disputes, courtship displays, or general communication. The rapid wing beats of hummingbirds can produce a faint whistling sound, particularly when they are in close proximity. This sound is a result of the air turbulence created by their fast wing movements. Hummingbirds may emit soft vocalizations, which can include chirps, squeaks, or twittering sounds. These vocalizations are often used for communication between individuals. During courtship displays or territorial encounters, male hummingbirds, including Costa's hummingbird, may engage in aerial displays accompanied by specific sounds. These sounds can be part of their communication repertoire to convey dominance or attraction. Hummingbirds may produce specific sounds when they perceive a threat. These alarm calls can serve to warn other hummingbirds in the vicinity of potential danger. It's important to note that hummingbird sounds are generally high-pitched and may not be easily audible to human ears, especially in the midst of other environmental sounds. The main component of a Costa's hummingbird's diet is nectar obtained from a variety of flowering plants. Nectar serves as their primary source of energy, providing the sugars they need for fuel. Costa's hummingbirds have long, slender bills and extendable, tube-like tongues that allow them to access the nectar deep within the flowers. The tongue has fringed edges that aid in capillary action, helping them lap up the nectar efficiently. While nectar is their primary energy source, Costa's hummingbirds also consume small insects and spiders to supplement their diet with proteins, amino acids, and other nutrients. Hummingbirds are known for their ability to catch insects in midair using their specialized bills. Like all living organisms, hummingbirds need water for hydration. They obtain water not only from the nectar they consume but also by directly drinking water droplets. Nectar alone may not provide all the necessary nutrients, so hummingbirds may obtain additional minerals from the nectar or from other sources, such as water or small particles in the environment. Hummingbirds also obtain some essential salts from the nectar they consume. The lifespan of Costa's hummingbirds can vary, but it is generally relatively short compared to larger bird species. The average lifespan of a Costa's hummingbird is typically around 3 to 5 years in the wild. However, many hummingbirds do not reach their maximum potential lifespan due to various factors that can impact their survival. Hummingbirds, despite their agility in flight, are vulnerable to predators such as spiders, praying mantises, larger birds, and even certain species of frogs. Like other wildlife, hummingbirds can be susceptible to diseases, including those spread by parasites or pathogens. Harsh weather conditions, habitat changes, and other environmental factors can pose threats to hummingbirds. Collisions with obstacles or other birds, accidents during flight, or encounters with hazards such as windows can result in injuries or fatalities. The early stages of life, such as hatching and fledgling phases, are particularly vulnerable times for young hummingbirds. It's important to note that the lifespan of a hummingbird can be influenced by a combination of genetic factors, environmental conditions, and individual experiences. Hummingbirds have a rapid metabolic rate, and their energetic lifestyle, including frequent feeding and hovering flight, can contribute to their relatively short lifespan. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.